When it comes to building an online store, integrating payments seamlessly can make or break your business. In today's comparison, we're diving into the payment integration options of two popular platforms, AliExpress and BigCommerce. But which one offers the best payment integration? Stick around to the end for a surprise recommendation that could change the way you handle payments. First up, let's talk about AliExpress. AliExpress is a massive global marketplace with a reputation for connecting buyers and sellers worldwide. When it comes to payment integration, AliExpress mainly offers its bill-in system, which includes methods like credit cards, debit cards, and other localized payment methods based on where you're located. While this makes it easy for users worldwide, it's not as customizable as some might want, especially for sellers who are looking for a more tailored solution. Next, we have BigCommerce. Unlike AliExpress, BigCommerce is a dedicated e-commerce platform that focuses on giving sellers control over their stores. One of BigCommerce's major strengths is its extensive list of integrated payment gateways. From PayPal to Stripe, Authorize.net, and even Apple Pay, BigCommerce gives users a lot of options to choose from. Plus, it's very flexible, allowing merchants to easily switch between different providers without hassle. But there's a catch. While it supports multiple payment gateways, the transaction fees can stack up, and not all of these integrations are as smooth as they seem on paper. The third thing to note is the ease of setup. AliExpress is simple to get started with because it's mostly automated. However, this simplicity also means limited control. You can't choose custom payment methods or change the flow to suit your needs. BigCommerce, on the other hand, offers a more involved setup process, which might seem complex at first, but offers much more control and customization. The trade-off here is the learning curve. It's more flexible, but there's a bit more work to be done to get things right. Now, let's touch on the fees. AliExpress doesn't charge monthly fees for listing your products, which might make it seem like an attractive option for beginners or those looking to keep things low cost. But you do pay transaction fees, and these can vary based on your location and the payment methods chosen by the buyer. On the flip side, BigCommerce comes with a monthly fee, which might seem like an extra expense. But given the range of integrations and flexibility it offers, the fee can be well worth it for those serious about growing their business. Finally, let's talk about security. Payment security is a huge factor for any business, and both AliExpress and BigCommerce take it seriously. AliExpress uses secure payment systems to protect buyers and sellers, but it's still a marketplace where third-party sellers are at play, and there's only so much control over security. BigCommerce, on the other hand, uses SSL encryption and is PCI compliant, ensuring that sensitive customer data is always safe. It's clear that BigCommerce has the edge here when it comes to maintaining high standards of security. So, which platform offers the better payment integration? AliExpress may be a solid choice for those just starting out or looking for a simple, global marketplace with straightforward payment methods. But if you're serious about building a customizable, secure, and professional online store with more control over payment options, BigCommerce clearly stands out. That said, after testing both of these platforms myself, I found an alternative that offers even more flexibility, better payment integration, and smoother scalability for online stores. If you want to take advantage of this better solution, be sure to check the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link. Don't miss out.